Hey, what's going on, everybody? How are y'all doing today? Alright, so I decided to make a quick video because I'm doing it and it's education. So I'm changing out the tow mirrors on my Ram because like I said before, I'm a driver. I want to start driving this truck professionally. It's a 2500, it's a 3/4 ton. I know, why didn't you get a 1 ton? I actually didn't intend on doing this with this truck, but you know, things happen and it was a lucky coincidence. But anyway, so I'm just going to show y'all really quick because this is really easy to do. If y'all don't know how to, if y'all want to pay someone to change your mirrors out, it's a waste of money. So here we go. So this is the new mirror. This is the tow mirror. It's not completely in, so I'm not going to adjust it yet. Basically all you do is right here, the very first thing you do is you prop this little panel off here, and I'll go show you on the other side because I already did the other side, so I'll make it easier for y'all. Alright, so first thing you do is you pop off this panel and you just pull it off with your hand. If it doesn't come off, you can get a little pocket screwdriver in there or whatever, work your way off. Pull this panel off. Again, use a pocket screwdriver or something and get this tab open. When you open that tab, there's a screw under it. It's like a Phillips head screw. You unscrew that, good to go. And then you have these little, they look like Torx, and they are Torx, but they're plastic tabs. So really, if you don't have a Torx, you can just get a flathead screwdriver right here and just pop it out. And it's got a tab it goes into behind it. And there's 6 of these. There's one here, here, under the door, and around. And Diesel's trying to bark at the neighbor. Hey, I'm trying to let you in the house, outside of the house, so you can have fun. Bark at the damn neighbors. Oh well, I'm gonna let him bark at the neighbors. I don't like those neighbors anyway. Alright, so once you get those 6 tabs off, you have that screw off, and have this off. Then you're gonna want to pull up, and I'll show you why. Pulling up, what you're really doing is you're pulling these, all of these little tabs here, or you're pulling them out of these, I don't know, the male ends out of the female ends basically. You're just pulling these up. So you do have to contend with the locking mechanism and the door handle. So when you pull up, just know that you got to open this all the way and kind of slide it out, and you're going to want to push that down. It just makes it easier. So then, boom, you've already taken off the door panel. And so when you take the door panel off, you got these 3 bolts that are holding in the mirror itself. And it's got this wiring harness. Now I have a tradesman, so I don't know if you have like a laramie or whatever. Yours might be a little bit different. But with a tradesman, you got this harness. It snaps in right here where my finger is. Snaps in again right here. And it goes into here. Now with just the tradesman, the only wire I had before was just this black one. But with these new tow mirrors, it has a turn signal on the mirror itself. It also came with this white piece here, the little white connection. So I got a new thing. So what you'll do is, you know, like I said, you take these three nuts off, pull the mirror out. Well, once you disconnect this first. You pull these out, you know, and then you unbolt these, and then you pull the mirror physically, pull it out, and you'll drag this wiring harness through here and pull it out. Then once it's out, now this is basically a tow mirror conversion, so I'm assuming that's what you're doing as well. If you're converting it to that, mine came with this bracket. So this bracket you get, you know, for the left and the right side, you place it like this. I also got 3 new bolts that came with the bracket, so they're not with the truck, so you gotta hope you have them. Also, my pack came with these to put in the door, but it actually already had it in it, so I didn't need to use it. If you don't have these in your door and you don't understand why this won't fit in it, you might have to put this in. but I doubt it because I have the most base model truck there is and it already had it, so you're probably fine. Anyway, so put this bracket on, and I guess it just is a sturdier bracket for a heavier mirror. I really don't know what the point is, because you can theoretically put this mirror on without this bracket. But anyway, so it came with it, so I mean, figure probably should use it. So if imagine this mirror is off, put this bracket on first with these 3 bolts, then put the new mirror in, and then, you know, bolt it down with the 3 nuts, and in reverse order, you snap that into place, snap that into place, put your 2 wiring harnesses in, or your 2 little connections in, and then put your door panel back on. It's exactly the same in reverse as it is to take it off. So anyway, I figured that might help a few people out, so I just made a little video on it. So until next time, guys, when I actually have a video a bit more my channel, I'll see you then.